Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I will discuss comparison operators. The comparison operators are used along with conditional statements to compare values and perform some action based on the result. I'm using this myscript.js file. I have listed down all of the comparison operators for you inside this myscript.js file. The comparison operator includes equal to by value and by type. Not equal to by value and not by type, greater than operator, less than operator, greater than and equal to, and less than and equal to. These are the comparison operators. I will start with the equal to operator. I will declare a variable var student age. I will assign it a value 18. Now I will write a simple if statement, if and then a condition, and this condition will contain the equal to operator. If the student age is equal to 18, then perform some action. Now notice, this is not an assignment operator, it is an equal to operator. There is a difference between this assignment operator and equal to operator. I will perform some action based on this condition. I will display the age of the student. Document.write I'll say student age value is equal to 18, and then I will also add a line break. So if this condition is true, and in this case the condition is true because the student age value is 18, and this condition will become true and this action will be performed. I will save this script and I will show you the result inside the browser. So you can see it just displayed student age value is equal to 18. So this is the equal to operator, and this is the way we use the equal to operator. And the equal to operator will compare two values, and in this case it will compare the student age with the value of 18. And if there is a difference of type, for example if the student age value is of string type, it will perform the conversion by default. Now I will move towards the equal to by value and by type, and I will also show you the example or difference between equal to and equal to by value and by type. I will use the same example. I will copy these lines of code and I will paste it here, but this time instead of using the two equal signs, I will add another third equal sign. So this is called equal by value and by the type. The difference between the equal to operator and the equal to by value and type, this operator will also look for the type, then this will return the true value. Right now the type of the student age is numeric, and also the comparing value on the right side is also numeric value, and they both are equal values. So it will result a true, and this condition will become true and this line of code will be performed. So the student age value and type are same and is equal to 18. I will save this script and I will show you the result inside the browser. So you can see the student age value and type are same and is equal to 18. If I change the type of student age from numeric to string, so in this case this condition will return false because the values are equal but the types are not equal. In this case the condition will be true because it is looking for only the value, it is not looking for the type. So in this case this action will not be performed because I just changed type of student age from numeric to the string. I will save this script. I will show you the result inside the browser. I will refresh the page. So you can see, you only see the student age value is equal to 18, but the value and the type are not the same, so therefore this condition returns false. So this is the difference between equal to and equal to by value and type operator, and in this case we use 3 equal signs. Next I will use not equal to operator. I will use the same example. I will copy these lines of code, and let me also comment out these equal to operator if statements, so we don't need it anymore. Okay, so this time instead of equal to operator I will use not equal to operator. The not equal to operator will compare the student age value with the value of 18. If the value is not equal to, then it will return true. If the values are equal, then it will return false. So in this case, student age value is not equal to 18. Let me put back the student age from string to numeric, and I will also change the student age from 18 to 16. So in this case, the student age is not equal to 18. 16 is not equal to 18, and it will return true. And this action will be performed. I will save this script, and I will show you the result inside the browser. So you can see the student age value is not equal to 18. So if I change it back to the 18, so in this case 18 is not equal to 18, which is false. So this line of code will not be executed. I will save this script, and I will show you the result inside the browser. So you see no line of code is executed. You can also check for the type in case of not equal to operator, and for that you use not equal to by value and by type operator. Let me give you an example of not equal to by value and by type. I will copy these lines of code. Let me create some space so you can see it clearly. I'll paste it here, and I will add another equal sign. So now this operator is called not equal to by value and by type, and it will check for both value and for the type. Let me change the text of this line. Student age value or type is not same. Right now the student age value is 18, and it is also numeric, and we are also comparing it with a numeric value. So I will save this script, and I will refresh, and there will be no result because both of these conditions will return false. Now if I change the numeric 18 value to the string, so in this case in simple not equal to operator it will return false, but in this case when it check for the type it will return true, because the type of student age is different than the type of this 18 numeric value. So this line of code will be executed in this case. I will save this script. I will show you the result inside the browser. Refresh, so you can see the student age value or type is not same. So in this case the type is not same, so therefore it is returning the true. Now I will give you an example of greater than operator. This is the greater than operator. I'll copy this if condition, and I will also comment out these two if conditions. So we can just focus on the greater than operator, and I will use greater than operator. This is greater than operator. This if condition will look if the student age is greater than 18, then the block of code inside this if statement will be executed. Let me change the text of this line. Student age is greater than 18. So right now the student age is 18. I will change it to something 25. I will save this script. I will show you the result inside the browser. I will refresh. So the student age is greater than 18. Now I will give you an example of less than operator. This is the less than operator. I will copy the same if statement, and I will just change the greater than sign with the less than sign. So this is less than sign. If the student age is less than 18, then this line of code will be executed. Less than. So student age is less than 18. Let me change the student age from 25 to 16. So in this case the student age is 16, and 16 is less than 18. This condition will become true, and this line of code will be executed. I will save this script. I will show you the result inside the browser. So student age is less than 18. You can also use the equality operator like the greater than and equal to and the less than and equal to. Let me give you an example of these last two operators. I will copy the same line of code, I'll paste it here, and I will use greater than and equal to. So in this case, if the student age is greater than or equal to 18, this line of code will be executed. Greater than or equal to 18. And the same way you can use the less than and equal to operator like less than and equal to. So I will replace this greater with a less than. So in this case, the student age is less than or equal to. So in this case, if the student age is greater than or equal to 18, this line of code will be executed. And in this condition, if the student age is less than or equal to 18, then this line of code will be executed. So right now the student age value is 16. So in this case, this condition will become true and this condition will become true, and this greater than and this greater than equal will be false. I will save this script and I will refresh the page. So you can see the student age is less than 18 and the student age is less than or equal to 18. So these are the examples of comparison operators, and these are the ways how you can use the comparison operators inside the conditional statements.